One, two, three, four. I throw my hands up for you. When I can't sleep, I call you. You're crazy, but I love you more and more every day. I don't know where it goes, this roller coaster winding road. Flip on the TV, kick off your shoes.
I would just like to say thank you everyone for coming here, and I would like to say that this family is the greatest gift that I've ever received, especially on my birthday.
I'm very thankful that we were invited here, and I got to meet nearly all of my cousins. And since there's so many of them, I get confused sometimes. But nevertheless, I'm very happy to meet all of them, and I'm also very happy to meet nearly all of my uncles and aunts. And yeah, very thankful. But I also appreciate that all of you are adjusting for us. Even though Kuya Frankie and Tito Nonoy are teaching me Ilocano now.
Because of you guys, I got to use my multilingual accent and of course my abilities. Anyways, enjoy Philippines, and I'm glad that I saw you guys. Thank you.
To everybody who saved their money, who saved their income to make this event possible, you give Jan.
Would like to thank you sa mga titas po kaya nag-gather kaya aming mga cousins di ulit kaya nakabanding kami and stuff and thank you sa lunch na napusap ko na ako and that's all ako.
So, matabo lang in my dreams noon kita-kita na because some sisters, my sister, one is in US, father in US, sister in UK. So this one is very memorable. And to Tatay, thank you.
I just want to say thank you, and then I'll only be here for one day, so I'm really glad to see all of you. I only have like one leave day, so I'll try on Friday. I'll try to be absent from work. But I'm really thankful that you're all here.
Thanks for all you guys. You're all fantastic.
Pero dahil sa mga blessings na ginhatag sa family nga dyan, kung wala blessings, wala gid much ang mga natabot ng events, mga gifts, and promotion, I guess. Pero thank you again.
I just want to share my experience coming here. I was really so anxious and nervous because I haven't seen some of the faces here before, especially my cousins from the US and some of my titos and titas. But I felt so at ease when I met them because I didn't feel any shyness nor awkwardness from everyone. We feel so welcome. Thank you everyone for welcoming.
So it's really good to be here. I'm aware that my accent's probably the most different here. You're all very welcome to it, and I love actually teaching all of you about slang and the different accents in Northern Ireland. And I love this country so much, and I love this family. Thank you very much. And I love that I can get Jollibee for £3.
I would like to say thank you to everyone who came, especially those who gave their time. This, as a working girl, I know how difficult it is to take off from time off from work. So also for the accommodation, for the food and everything, it's a rare occasion na almost completely that I'm thankful to everyone who made this. Thank you.
Hi, it's nice to meet you all guys whenever I came here. I'm happy to be back after 7 years. And I hope we can make some more memories.
Thank you so much for this occasion. Sa mga bata plan sa occasion, thank you so much. Kabay pa ini occasion, hindi mauntas kundi mapadayon sa mga generation to the generation. No?